Alright, hi guys, welcome back to Ready, Set, Create. Today I made an awesome little game for you guys. I finally thought of a name for it, and it's called Match the Sequence. So originally you had to use some paper, like some printouts of hand and footprints, left, right, for both hands and feet, but I decided I don't want to waste paper, so I'm going to use chalk, which is a money saver in itself. So let me just flip you around and show you what my little game looks like here. Alright, so here it is. So I have a left hand, a right hand, some feet prints. I know I'm not the best artist. I had really thick chalk, so it's hard to be perfect, but I tried. So here we have the start line. So what you're going to do is you have to match the position. So this would be my left foot, my left hand, and my right hand. So I would have to stand on one foot and then put both hands down, which I can't right now because I'm holding the camera. Next would be my right foot and two hands on the side. Next would be I have to hop to both feet and put my left hand down like this. So I have both feet right now, and then I'd have to do both feet and right hand. So basically, you have to match a sequence. If you're playing with like your siblings and everything, you want to see how far you can go. So that means if you mess up, say on the first or second sequence, you have to get back in line and start all over again. And you want to see who can do it without messing up. And let's say everyone finishes, and now you want to make it even tougher. And you can do that by seeing who can do it the fastest. Maybe make it longer. It can be as long as you want. It's your sequence. You could have repeats. Let's see. Some other ways you can modify this little game. If you have younger ones who have difficulties telling left and their right, you can color code them. And you could do like all left side things blue and right thing sides red. You know, make it your own. Do whatever you need to do to accommodate the game. If you want, you can always do the printouts, which might be a little easier. Just telling, which is right and left for things. Because of the thickness of the chalk I had, it's hard to kind of tell. But I tried my best to make it happen. But yeah, it's a really simple game. You can use paper and printouts. If you want to use paper and not print them out, you can also have your kids get involved and have them trace your hand and your feet, or have them trace their hands and feet. If you have multiple kids, have one person do their left hand multiple times, have somebody do the right hand and the left foot and the right foot. And you can have, I only did 4 lines for the example, but you can do like 15, 30, however long your sidewalk is or driveway. You can make it as long as you want. So that is our little simple quick game for today, and I hope you guys have so much fun doing it. Please attach pictures below of you guys playing it. I would love to see that, and I hope you guys have fun. See you next time on Ready, Set, Create.